Ever wondered how scientists solve impossible computational puzzles that drive everything from climate models to quantum mechanics? The answer lies in PETSc, a powerhouse library for high-performance computing used by researchers across the globe. But here's the challenge. Its knowledge is scattered, like a library with most books locked in a vault. PETSc has evolved for 3 decades, accumulating decades of code updates, documentation, emails, and even Discord conversations. Yet much of this expertise lives in developers' minds or buried in outdated forums. It's like having a treasure trove of secrets, but no map to find them, until now. Enter AI assistants. Researchers are building a system that transforms this chaotic knowledge into a smart, searchable resource. Think of it as a librarian who's also a math genius. By leveraging Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, the AI digs through PETSc's vast data, code, docs, and old chat logs to surface answers. It's like having a personal tutor who knows exactly where to find the solution when you're stuck. Here's the technical breakdown. When a user asks, "How do I optimize this solver?" the AI doesn't guess. It retrieves relevant code snippets, documentation, and past discussions, then synthesizes the best advice. This isn't about replacing humans. It's about amplifying their expertise, turning years of collective wisdom into actionable insights. Let's break it down. A new developer struggling with PETSc's complex codebase gets personalized tutorials that translate jargon into plain English, breaking down functions like KSPSetOperators or PETSc. A researcher discovers a bug in a 20-year-old email thread, and the AI flags it before it crashes a simulation. Even project managers benefit. The AI summarizes meetings, prioritizes tasks, and keeps teams aligned across continents, because collaboration is as critical as code. This isn't just convenience, it's a paradigm shift. By organizing PETSc's knowledge, AI reduces debugging time by 40% in early trials, accelerates code reuse, and ensures legacy systems stay relevant. The system learns from every interaction, turning fragmented insights into a living, evolving resource. Imagine a future where every query about PETSc's 10,000-plus functions is answered with precision, backed by decades of peer-reviewed research and real-world debugging stories. The goal? A future where AI isn't a tool, but a collaborator, empowering scientists to push boundaries from climate predictions to space exploration. Because when knowledge flows freely, discovery accelerates. So next time you see a breakthrough in science, remember, behind the scenes, AI is helping unlock the universe's secrets, one line of code, one optimization, one breakthrough at a time.